Hello, my name is Cassandra,
And my name is Carissa.
and today we are going to make chocolate chip cookies. You see this video? This is us when we were kids, and we're going to cook
The
cookies
same.
again. But this time I'm hungry, so I just want chocolate.
Is that you?
No, we look different.
It look different. So what is the ingredient here?
We have brown sugar and sugar.
We have flour,
We have butter.
rock salt, vanilla, egg, chocolate chips, and
Why so chocolate chips so many?
Because like there are 4 different chocolates. There we have M&Ms, we have milk chocolate, we have
Sweet?
semi-sweet, and we have dark chocolate.
What the different?
This one is like half sweet. This one is like milk chocolate, and this one's dark chocolate.
Okay, you know what to do?
Yes.
yeah.
So first we need to sift the flour and add these 3 things. Okay.
What is that?
Baking soda.
And
Rock salt.
I have a spoon to like do it. I don't want to get my hands dirty. Keep pouring it.
I'm trying.
Flour is going everywhere.
doesn't matter.
We'll clean it up later. Whatever. I'll do the rest with the spoon. What did I do?
That's a snow.
No, it's not snow. It's flour. It's not yellow snow either.
Tepung.
Huh?
Gelepung.
What's that? Snow?
Flour.
Oh. 5 years later.
That's 5 years later. Look at that. You taking M&M there. You see?
Now we stir the flour with the salt and all the
And baking soda.
You need to speak louder.
Yeah, this is my voice. You want me to scream?
Oh no.
Stop it.
I'm trying.
The more you make, the more flour that goes over, the less cookies we have, okay? Stop.
I know.
Okay, that's good enough.
So now we have to mix the sugar and the butter. I do it.
Aw.
It's my turn.
What's that?
Add butter.
Butter, okay.
Do I all of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now what?
Know what?
This is such a mess.
What is that, sir? Here.
1 teaspoon of,
Yeah?
then we pour.
Yeah.
Put it in there. Here?
Yeah? Okay, now wash your hand.
I put it on.
Hold it.
I'm scared.
Go in there, sir.
Scared.
Down there. I think one first. Yeah. Just until creamy, that's it. Is it creamy?
Yeah. Some things aren't though. Where's that?
One egg.
Can I pour the other one?
On the side also.
Okay, put it again.
So bad.
Okay, Okay, that's good enough.
Sorry. Fall out. Now we have to pour all the flour into this
Mixer.
mixer. Make it all.
Do I know?
doughy.
Or do it has to be like?
Wait a minute.
Why do I have such a small spoon?
You want a big one here?
Yes, I want a bigger one.
Clean it up first.
Thank you.
Mix again,
Why are
Zach.
these all made of plastic?
It's not plastic, it's silicone.
Rubber, not plastic.
Oh, look at that.
Now it's all turning doughy.
What's that?
It's all turning doughy because like
Yeah.
the flour is dry and this is wet.
Do I pour again? Right now?
Yeah.
Pour all of it.
Mixing it.
Now do I like?
It's not clear yet.
Sorry. Where?
Okay.
Do I like grab it?
No, use this one.
And then
Scoop it.
that was so weak.
I bet I can do better.
Yeah.
How about just pouring it?
Give it. I can do it. I can do it. Oh, you have to say some Amanda.
These are mine. Don't ever try it.
Yeah, don't take it. One fell. That's mine.
I think you have some for Dad.
No!
No, I think I need
You're
more.
on a diet. You're on a diet.
How are you going to get them all in there? Can Carissa,
These
can
aren't
Carissa
diet
get-
cookies.
Give Carissa a little twist so she can do something. Give it. Work with her. Work with her.
She isn't strong.
Yeah.
No, I would disagree.
This-
I would disagree.
No. She already put it in. Let me do it.
I see a whole. I want that cookie there. It's just all chocolate.
These
chips.
aren't diet cookies.
They're full of sugar, Dad.
You
Well,
shouldn't
no,
have
no,
it.
no. I just
I
want
thought you wanted to go to that zip line.
Yeah, I do.
Then don't put on weight or the line will crack.
Oh no, I don't want to crack the line on my weight. So let's give it a big turf right from the bottom.
You know how to do, guys?
Yes, it's just this is full of it, and
Jangan ngetes loh. You trolling?
I want more chocolate.
Are you trolling?
It's good. Give it a try.
No.
Are you? Is it happy, sir?
No, not really.
Not really?
This is mine. It fell in the bowl. It is mine.
Okay.
This is a tray, and we put baking paper.
For what?
The cookies, so it not get stuck.
Not so big though.
This, like
Yeah.
this. Why? I have a big diet. That.
Mine's sticky already.
It's okay, keep going. Follow the line, not so close to each other.
I like thick cookies.
That's gonna be big.
Very,
Yeah.
very delicious though. I would eat it.
I would also.
I mean, that could last me a whole week.
Is this big?
Yeah.
Too big?
Too big.
No, mom likes thick cookies. Keep it that way.
Is this small enough?
Too small.
Too small?
Yeah. Come on, Cassandra, Carissa.
I don't know if it's too big or too small.
It's fine.
It's like this.
You know what to do?
Yes.
Is it fun?
No.
No.
It's not as fun as playing Splatoon.
What? This one is a real baking rather than your baking game.
Yeah, I like cooking Mama Cookstar. You make rainbow sandwiches.
Yeah, that's why you need to real baking.
Roll.
Huh?
I like getting 5-star cooking.
This one is the cooking mama. Better.
No, it's not cooking Mama.
What is it?
This is cooking with your mom.
Cooking with your mom. It's baking with your mom.
Yeah, it's different. Cooking on the Cookstar is different.
What the difference?
It's
You
a
the
video
star?
game. It's
No,
fun.
this is a real game.
No,
This is the real game.
no, this is cooking with your mom.
No. Cooking with my sister.
No, it's cooking with your mom while she holds the camera and stop and judges you.
Okay, that's good.
Cooking mama does not judge you.
She does, actually.
She just judges your cooking. I'm done.
Okay.
What do I do?
Need to bake it.
Now it's done and we put it in the oven now.
I'm gonna do that. I'll do it.
Good to hollow
I'm not gonna burn myself.
I love
Again.
burning my fingers. Ah! I put it like this.
Yeah, in the middle.
Now we have to wait for 15 minutes.
After 15 minutes, what happened?
It would be cooked.
Ready to eat?
Yes.
Who's gonna eat?
Me.
Oke, ini udah kelar. Siapa yang bikin cookie? Who make this cookie?
Me.
You guys made this cookie? I wanna try some. Which
Your
one should I
hands.
eat?
You wash your hand?
Yeah, I did. I bet this one is mine.
That one, the other one, gosong. It's good. Go sit down there.
The outside is crunchy, but the soft is but the inside is soft.
Go sit down, sir.
Very nice.
And you guys made this? You guys need to make more. I'm gonna have all of it. It's gonna be mine.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'll share with Cassandra.
I see, guys.
Okay, I'll share with both of you.
Good. Enak banget.
And I'm
Which one you want? Something soft inside or crunchy?
I want like a both. I want like both. It's very hard on the outside and the edge, but it's
That
soft
the
and
pink
juicy.
one is crunchy.
I can't really have crunchy because of my raisins.
Oh yeah.
I'll have one more.
You know how to put inside, guys, Layla? I
No,
will do
you
it.
put it inside my mouth.
Yeah, in your mouth.
And what
Yeah.
we need is sugar, brown sugar, butter, flour mixed with soda, 2 eggs, and
Seen in the
chocolate and
camera.
Smarties.
What do you think of this, guys? Ask them.
First, I'm gonna crack the egg.
What the difference? Bedanya video ini sama yang lama.
I think for me as a father, I love both of them.
I finished crack the egg, so we're gonna shift the flour.
You're gonna shift the flour, are you? And you know what? I think today and that one, they're both wonderful. Can I have one?
No, you're on a diet.
Oh, anyway.
You could have one.
Yeah,
You could have this.
no. You know what? I think no. I think you guys having them is more than enough for me to see my kids eating cookies. Look at there, kid. You got cookies in your hair? Oh my goodness, Carissa. What are you doing?
Thanks for watching.
I cannot eat anymore. Okay, thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed seeing the comparison from when Cassandra and Carissa were very young making these cookies and seeing how they make them now. It's gonna be really funny.
And I think we need to see them in a few years when they're teenagers.
Now we're gonna